Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Subaru XV vs Tiguan, which is better. Please listen carefully and follow along as I break down handling, interior space, fuel usage, and ownership costs so you can decide with confidence. I'll highlight key strengths, trade-offs, and which buyer each model suits best, using clear examples and friendly tips to make this easy to understand and remember. Both cars approach driving differently, with Subaru XV prioritizing traction and rough road composure, while Tiguan leans toward refined highway comfort and brisk acceleration when equipped with a turbo. I'll describe real-world driving impressions, fuel economy tendencies, and what to expect on winding roads or snowy commutes so you can match a car's character to your daily routes and adventure plans. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and give a like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make packing lunches easier after hatchback trips or road testing. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your support keeps these practical reviews coming, and now let's get back to the video. Interior comparisons focus on comfort, cargo strategy, and usable tech rather than showroom numbers. I'll point out seat comfort for long drives, rear legroom for car seats, and how cargo layouts handle bikes or suitcases. We'll also talk about available features that matter day to day, like infotainment ease, heating options, and how those choices influence resale and ownership costs in practical terms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.